Welcome to Tasker Terry Assembly. In this video I'm going to show you how to install handles on your wardrobe doors. You can also use this information for drawer handles. These are the tools I'm using for this installation, as well as this cabinet jig that I picked up off Amazon. I'm going to explain that a little bit in a second, and I'm going to put a link in the description to this particular product. So I have it set up here for 1.5 inch depth. That means the handles are going to be 1.5 inches from the edge. You can set this up how you like it though. And I've also already set this up for the hole distance for the handles that I have. Now you want to double check that once you've set the proper measurement according to the measurements, put the handle screws in and make sure the handle's actually perfect. Because once you drill those holes in the wardrobe doors, they're done, they're drilled, and if they're wrong, then they're wrong. So you want to put the screws in on the jig like this and make sure everything's lined up perfectly. Should be a little bit loose just like that. Now this is a great jig. At the time I purchased this, it was only $38.99 here in Canada on Amazon, and as I said, I'll put a link in the description to this particular one. If you have more than one handle to do, you might want to have this around to make sure everything's perfect. So in the first step, I'm going to find the center of the doors. Before you even start that, these doors have to be all lined up perfectly at this point. Everything should be balanced, level, and lined up perfectly before you start doing this. So I've measured the middle of one door, and now I'm going to use my level and do a light pencil line across both doors so they match perfectly. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the next two doors. I'm measuring halfway down the door, which is the exact center. And I'm just going to put a light pencil line and then use my level to scribe that line across both doors. Just very light line. Do it a couple inches on either side though. And the last two. Draw a light line right across both at the center of the door. And you need the proper size drill bit for the screws that your handles have. You want a little bit bigger than the screw. So now I'm going to line up the jig. I've already measured it. This particular door I believe is 2 inches in, and I'm lining up the jig to that center line, and I'm just going to mark the drill holes at this point. I'm not drilling all the way through. And then I'll do the other door that you can't see at this moment. Going to line this one up right to that line in the middle and just slightly drill each hole. You want to make sure you have a good drill bit when you're doing this, and you want to go slow when you do actually go through the wood. You don't want to punch through the back and break the wood. You want to drill nice, slow, even with a sharp drill bit. I mentioned earlier, it's very important that your wardrobes are fully leveled and the doors are all perfectly straight before you go through this process. Once you've drilled those holes, if they're crooked, the only way to fix it is to replace the door. Now I'm going to finish drilling the holes right through the door, and as I mentioned, go slow and easy with a very sharp bit. You don't want to punch through the back of the door and break the door. Now I'm going to grab the hardware for the handle and put it together. This particular one has a screw, goes through the door, and then has a bit of a fancy bushing that goes on the other side before the handle. Hopefully this video has helped you out with your handles today, and if it has, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It's the easiest way to help me back. If you need help with the drawers or baskets or any other part of a PAX wardrobe, I do have the videos for those as well. Although I did show a hammer in the tools I used for this assembly, I didn't actually need the hammer for this part. Everything else I showed was required. You might pick up one of those templates from IKEA for door handles. It's a long plastic one. I found they're not very good. The one that this customer picked up, the holes didn't even line up to the handles, so they were completely useless, and it was fortunate that I had my jig with me on this day. And now I've got to finish drilling the remainder of these holes. I didn't drill all the way through the first time. If you have shelves or anything inside your wardrobes at that height, make sure you're not drilling through the door into that shelf, because it'll be really close to the door. And same thing for these last two doors. We're going to drill them out and put the handles on. After that, we'll wash off the pencil marks that I put on there for the measurements. Again, thanks for watching today, and hopefully this video has helped you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.